Hey everybody, today we're going to be starting a little series that I call Dollar Tree Quickies, where I share tips, tricks, and DIYs that you can do with Dollar Tree items in under 10 minutes. Today we're going to be embellishing these placemats with this beautiful ribbon that they carry now for fall. I love this ribbon. If you see this, pick it up. It comes in several colors and it is absolutely stunning. One of the better items that Dollar Tree gets in for the autumn season. You can use a glue gun, and if you don't want to use a glue gun, you can use this Eileen's tacky glue that Dollar Tree carries. And we're going to need some scissors and, of course, the Dollar Tree placemats. We're going to be using the brown and the cream. You can use whatever color you want. I just happen to choose these. The cream placemats, some Dollar Trees have them and some don't. I found out around here. So when I see them, I just stock up because they're really pretty and very nice. So what we're going to do is measure out the ribbon, the length of the placemat. So as you can see here, if I could ever get it started, we're gonna, like I said, measure out the length of the placemat with the ribbon. So it's that easy, y'all. It really is. I'm just pulling it out and I'm gonna cut it just a little bit longer than the length of the placemat. As you can see, I'm not one to measure. I'm not one to, be precise when it comes to stuff like this. I usually eyeball because, like I said, I don't want it complicated. I want a quick result and I want to get it done. So I'm just smoothing everything out. And now I'm just going to flip it over, holding both the placemat and the ribbon. Super easy, super simple. If you want to, you can pin it, you can measure it, you can tape it down, whatever you want to do. And you can go from there. But again, I'm just eyeballing. So what I'm going to do is take a bead of glue and run it along the side of the placemat here and fold the ribbon over to secure it. You can sew this if you want to, but like I said, this is a Dollar Tree quickie. I want to get it over with so that I could start decorating. And again, you can use the Eileen's tacky glue. And y'all, don't try this at home. Seriously, don't burn yourself. I have asbestos hands, so it didn't bother me too much. And I'm taking the back of my scissors to sort of spread it out. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And there you go. I love how this looks. This is so simple, so easy, and it's very elegant looking. I know the lighting in my craft room is not doing it justice because it's sort of giving off a bad reflection from my ring light, but hey, once you see it on the table, you will love it. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my God, I love that. Now we're going to use the cream colored placemat and we're going to use the other ribbon with the beautiful deep orange colored embellishments. It looks so stunning against the cream colored placemat. I love, love, love this idea. And I probably should have ironed this beforehand, but hey, it is what it is. See how pretty that looks against that? Oh, I love it. Oh, love, love, love this. And we're just going to do the same thing we did with the first placemat. Again, if you're using hot glue, be careful because it can really burn you. And y'all tell me down in the comments below if you like this little series or this idea. I have tons of quick tips, tricks, recipes, DIYs planned for you guys that you can do in less than 10 minutes. And you can get, like I say, a fast result. My patience is short when it comes to crafting with certain items and stuff. I want a quick result. I want to get to decorating and enjoying my creations and stuff like that. So I thought I would come up with this little series and share it with you guys. So again, let me know down in the comments if you want to see more stuff like this, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see what I come up with. And here we go, y'all. Isn't that gorgeous? And this is actually going to be sort of a 2-in-1 DIY, if you will. But this is so pretty. Now, with this same placemat, you can do two things. Use it as a placemat, or you can create a pillow for fall. That is so pretty. Here's another placemat pillow that I'm just using as a prop that I made a while ago, and I'll post the link to that down below. But you can make pillows with this as well, and this will be beautiful on a sofa, chair, a bed, wherever you want to use it. And I'm just showing you both options if you decide to make a pillow. I have tons of pillows. I don't plan on making any pillows out of these, but you can. And if you want to see how to make a placemat pillow, like I said, I'll post a link down below so that you can do it. But isn't that gorgeous? That would be so pretty. That rivals some of the pillows you see at TJ Maxx and Marshall's. I love this DIY. And again, less than 10 minutes with all items from Dollar Tree. Now here it is, styled up with some nice china and flatware. Look how beautiful that looks on a table. Can you imagine that on a holiday table? Well, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.